In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign signature fields in Adobe Sign. This quick and efficient guide will help you get through the process seamlessly and ensure your documents are ready for signature in no time. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, you'll want to access a web browser on your computer. Popular choices these days include Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Open up your chosen browser and navigate over to the Adobe Sign platform. This step starts us off on the right path, as everything we need to do today will be carried out within Adobe Sign's user interface. Once you've got that loaded, it's time to log in to your Adobe Sign account. Enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create one. It's a straightforward process that Adobe makes pretty seamless. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Recipients section. This is where you'll add all the individuals who need to sign the document. Consider everyone involved. Whether they're directly signing or just approving the document, they must be included here. As you add these individuals, it's crucial to specify their role in the process. Is this person a signer, or perhaps an approver might be more fitting? Additionally, you will need to enter their email addresses accurately. This ensures that all necessary parties are informed and that there are no mishaps in communication. Next, with your recipients all set, it's time to select the signature field you want to assign. This step requires a careful eye, as you must ensure that each signature field corresponds correctly to its intended recipient. Focus on locating the Assigned To property of the field you've selected. This feature is essential for directing your signing process accurately. It determines who will have the authority to sign that particular section of the document. Now, to assign a signature field to a recipient, you'll use a simple drop-down menu. Find your recipient in this menu and select them. It's a straightforward way to ensure that each field is correctly designated to the right person. Be sure to repeat this process for all signature and other form fields within your document. Consistency is key, and you want to make sure that your document doesn't have any loose ends before you send it off for signatures. By carefully assigning all necessary fields, you help facilitate a smooth signing process. And there you have it. Following these steps will allow you to efficiently assign signature fields in Adobe Sign, ensuring your documents are prepared and effectively managed. Remember, proper setup is crucial for a seamless experience, and these steps will help you achieve just that. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing.